What if all you need to create a video is an idea?
Pack a giant bubble wrap suit and roll into the black hole. And explore your own private planet.
A giant bubble wrap suit and roll it in the black hole will protect you from the gravity's clay. Just pop some bubbles and you will be right. No need to worry, it's a funny sight. Imagine waking up to the sound of a space-time being distorted each day. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Let's say you want your astronaut riding a bicycle in the space, a cycle journey to the moon. Or if you want to take your astronaut to the ocean, who doesn't love surfing, right? Or if you want to transform it into cartoon.
Bruh.
Hello everyone, myself Manthan Patel, a content creator, and I am familiarized with bunch of AI tools and video creation processes. But I found this AI tool to be the best and suitable for my career. If you are a content creator, a YouTuber, or an influencer, you have come to the right place. We are excited to announce the launch of our new AI content creation course. Our goal is to transform your imagination into reality with videos effortlessly by just simply inputting simple text prompt. Again, whether you are interested in being a YouTuber, an influencer, or a TikToker or Instagrammer, we have got you covered. Let's talk about this more in the course, and I will see you there.